How to use an inhaler. Okay, this right here shows you how many pops there are left in it. This top pop pops off like that, and then that dispenses your medication, and then this front part pops off like this, like so, and then that is your little chamber that helps deliver the medication. All right. Right, and then now we're going to go ahead and show you again. That's the part that shows you how many puffs are left in your inhaler. You shake it for about 10-15 seconds, and then go ahead and position it like so. Puff it, make sure it works. Breathe out so that you can fully deflate your lungs. Well, not fully, of course, right? And then inhale simultaneously as you are pressing down on the button. Perfect, and then slowly exhale after holding it in for 10 seconds. And then you shake it up. Wait for a minute or so, and then go ahead and inhale again fully, and then slowly exhale. Perfect. And that shows you how much is left again in your medication, and you're finished taking your medication. Sometimes, well, actually this right here goes ahead and delivers the medication much better than it would be if you were to just take it by itself. So you detach the cap off of your inhaler, use the chamber, insert it in the rubber portion like so, and then you pop the cap off where you're going to put your mouth on it. Again, exhale fully, and then you're going to go ahead and do a full seal over this chamber right there, and then inhale, and then that little flap that's at the very top allows you to see how much you're inhaling. So 1, 2, 3, and then exhale very slowly again, and that's how you use the chamber with your inhaler. Make sure you rinse out your mouth so that all the gunk doesn't stay in there, okay? And spit.